Question: What is programming? Answer: Programming is the process of writing instructions for computers to perform specific tasks or solve problems. It involves using a programming language to communicate with the computer and create software or applications. Question: List of languages used by data analyst data science. Answer: Python, R, SQL, JavaScript for web scraping and visualization, Scala, especially with Apache Spark for big data processing, Julia, emerging language for scientific computing and data analysis, MATLAB Octave for specific scientific and engineering applications. These languages cover a wide range of tasks in data analysis and data science, from data manipulation and visualization to statistical analysis and machine learning. Question: Why Python? Answer: Python is popular because it's versatile, easy to learn, and has a large community of users and libraries, making it great for various tasks like web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and automation. Question: Applications of Python. Answer: Web development. Frameworks like Django and Flask are used for building dynamic websites and web applications. Data science. Python is widely used for data analysis, visualization, and machine learning tasks with libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and scikit-learn. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python is the language of choice for developing AI and ML models due to libraries like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras. Automation. Python is used for automating repetitive tasks, scripting, and building software tools. Scientific computing. Python is extensively used in scientific research and engineering for simulations, numerical computing, and data processing. Game development. Python is used in game development with libraries like Pygame and Panda 3D. Desktop GUI applications. Libraries like Tkinter and PyQt allow developers to create desktop applications with graphical user interfaces. Question: What is variable and data type? Answer: A variable is a named storage location in a program's memory where data can be stored and manipulated. A data type defines the type of data that can be stored in a variable, such as numbers, characters, or Boolean values. It specifies how the data is interpreted and what operations can be performed on it. Question: List out common data type in Python. Answer: int, integer numbers, whole numbers. Float, floating point numbers, decimal numbers. str, strings, sequences of characters. Bool, Boolean values, true or false. List, ordered collections of items. Tuple, immutable ordered collections of items. Dict, unordered collections of key-value pairs. Set, unordered collections of unique items. Question: What is homogeneous and heterogeneous data? Answer: Homogeneous data refers to data that is of the same type or kind, such as a dataset containing only numerical values or only text strings. Heterogeneous data, on the other hand, refers to data that consists of different types or kinds, such as a dataset containing a mix of numerical values, text strings, and categorical variables. Question: Diff between list and array. Answer: List, a dynamic data structure in Python that can store heterogeneous data types and is resizable. Array, a fixed-size data structure in many programming languages, including Python with libraries like NumPy, designed to store elements of the same data type efficiently. It offers faster operations for numerical computations. Question: What is typecasting in Python? Answer: Typecasting in Python refers to the process of converting a variable from one data type to another. This is typically done explicitly by the programmer using built-in functions like int, float, str, etc., to convert variables from one type to another. For example, converting a string to an integer or a float, or vice versa. Question: explain explicit and implicit typecasting. Answer: explicit typecasting is when you deliberately convert a variable from one data type to another using a specific conversion operator or function. You, as the programmer, explicitly specify the conversion. Implicit typecasting, on the other hand, is when the programming language automatically converts a variable from one data type to another without any explicit instruction from the programmer. This usually happens when the target data type can accommodate the original data type without loss of precision or information.